AI is everywhere right now, like not just in tech, not just in companies, but in everyday life. People are using it to write, to design, to automate, to build entire businesses like faster than ever before. And if you scroll for even a few minutes, you'll see the same thing again and again. Make money with AI. Start earning today. Zero skills needed. Anyone can do it. It feels like you're one step away, one tool away, one method away from finally making money online. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are still not making anything. Not real money, not consistent income, not something that actually changes their situation. And that creates confusion. Because on one side, you see people winning, posting results, sharing success. And on the other side, you're trying, but nothing is working. So the real question is what's actually going on? Because this isn't just about money, it's about expectation. You expected progress, you expected results. And when that doesn't happen, it creates doubt. Am I doing something wrong? Am I missing something? Or is this whole thing just fake? The truth is, AI didn't create opportunity. It amplified it, but it also amplified competition, which means what used to work before is no longer enough. The biggest problem right now is the illusion. The idea that AI is a shortcut, that it removes effort, that it replaces thinking, that you can just generate something and post it and make money. But reality doesn't work like that, because when something becomes easy, it becomes common. And when it becomes common, it loses value. Right now, millions of people are using the same tools, the same prompts, the same strategies, creating the same type of content. And the result, everything starts looking identical. No uniqueness, no identity, no reason for someone to choose you. And this leads to the next problem, attention. Because attention is limited. People scroll fast. They decide fast. They leave fast. And if your content doesn't stand out instantly, it disappears. Not because it's bad, but because it's not different. Most people focus on output, how much they create, how fast they create, but they ignore the most important thing, value. Does it solve a real problem? Does it help someone? Does it create a result? If not, it doesn't matter how fast you made it. This is where everything changes. AI is a tool, but tools don't create results. People do. Your understanding, your thinking, your decisions, that's what creates value. In markets like the US, this effect is even stronger because the audience is exposed. They've seen everything. They've tried everything. They know what works and what doesn't. So their expectations are higher, which means your content has to be better, clearer, more useful, more real. AI gives you speed, but speed is dangerous because it makes you feel productive even when you're not progressing. You can create more without improving. You can post more, right? Without getting better. And that's where people get stuck. Then comes comparison. You see others succeeding, you compare your results, and you assume they have something you don't. But what you don't see is the process, the failures, the iterations, the time it took. Most people don't fail because they're bad. They fail because they quit too early. They expect fast results, and when that doesn't happen, they move on. New tool, new method, new strategy, and the cycle repeats. So what actually works? Not trends, not shortcuts, not copying. What works is simple. Understanding people, understanding problems, and solving them better than others. Instead of asking, God, how can I make money with AI? Ask this, see, what problem can I solve better than other, using AI? That shift is everything, right? Use AI for speed research execution, but not for thinking, because thinking is your advantage. AI didn't remove competition, it increased it, and the only way to win now is to stand out. Not by doing more, but by doing better. So if you're not making money yet, don't assume it's impossible. Don't assume it's fake. Just understand this. You're still learning, still improving, still building. Because at the end of the day, money follows value, and value comes from understanding, not tools. If you want more real breakdowns like this, no hype, no fake promises, just what actually works, subscribe, because I'm going to keep breaking this down